3, 2, 1. Loop is live. Ralph across the line first. There we go, there we go. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble in one. Trouble in one. Where's my quarter marshal? Where's my quarter marshal? Oh, you're so slow. He just pulled it off. Oh, my God. John K out front right now. John K is not trying to let Ralph take TQ honors. I hope to see. We got the this class. We're running this class next weekend, so I got to see all you guys out here to support it. We already got the awards and everything, so we'd love to have as many of these trucks as possible. If you got something that looks like a stadium truck at home, you better bring it out next week. It's John K out front. I might throw mine together. Let somebody run it. Yeah. John K out front, Leckley in the 2. John K right now on a 44.401, so just a couple of seconds off TQ. And fast lap so far goes to John K with a 5.3. Let's see, I got some 13.5s laying around. I don't exactly have a speed control, but I'm sure I can figure something out. John K out front, Ralph in the 2. Oh no! Terrible noise from somebody's car. They keep going though. I heard the shoot me noise out of that orange and green car, I think.
2 minutes left.
Just shoot me. All right, less than 2 to go. 1:55 left on the clock. John K and Ralph. These guys going at it right here. John K with a 2.2 second lead over Ralph. Ralph better figure out something here, because John K right now has got his number right here in round number 2. Oh man, John K's got that car just stuck to the bottom right here. With 1:25 left, John K, let's check these lap times. These guys running neck and neck right here. 5.5 to a 5.4 from Ralph. So Ralph flexing his muscles a little bit right there. We got John K in the 1, GHM in the 2, Anthony Paris in the 3.
1 minute left.
GHM looking real good right now. White and blue stadium truck, rubber tires. Everyone throwing some rubber tires on this round. It's John K, GHM, and Paris. 33 left on the clock, drivers. 33 left on the clock. Oh, this is race 5 of 6. Up next, race 6 of 6. 360 sprint. You guys start coming up. 25 seconds. Ten seconds, drivers. Leckley starting to, GHM starting to do a little bit better here. He's cutting away at that lead. It's only 1.5 now. And everyone keep going. Oh, wow. John K narrowly missing Paris right there. And still going. Everyone's still going. And that's a race. You're all done. John K taking a win right there. Does not set TQ. GHM in the 2. And Anthony Paris in the 3. Well done, guys. Well done. So GHM will be your TQ for the night from round 1, 45.403.9. Way to go, guys.